Welcome to the TV King channel, cutting the cord since 2002. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on the latest Kodi tips and tutorials. Mad Titan Sports is one of the most popular sports add-ons for Kodi users today, providing tons of high-quality content including live sports, TV, highlights, replays, and much more. It plays events in high definition with little to no buffering. It provides Real-Debrid integration as well as tons of free channels for local news, entertainment, family, and more. Users will also find various video-on-demand content, including movies and TV shows, which makes it an all-encompassing streaming platform. Many consider it one of the top Kodi add-ons available today, and we have to agree, as there are tons of HD options to choose from in a simple user layout. Prior to using Mad Titan Sports, you must first install the Kodi application on your Fire Stick or Android device. If you haven't already done so, jump to the description below this video and click on the link How to Install Kodi to your Fire TV or Android TV box. Now, if you have Kodi installed to your device, let's get to the install of Mad Titan Sports. Launch the Kodi app, then click Settings. Select the system icon. If it isn't already enabled, click the toggle to turn on unknown sources. Click Yes. Return to the System menu and open File Manager. Select Add Source. Click None. Type the following URL exactly how it is listed here and click OK. Pause the video between steps to slow the video down. Highlight the box under the source that you just typed in and enter a name for this media source and click OK again. Click your back button on the remote and choose Add-ons. Click Install from zip file. Choose Repo or the other name you assigned the media source. Click the zip file URL repository.magnetic.zip. You will then see Magnetic Repository add-on installed. Click Install from repository. Then select Magnetic Repo, choose Video Add-on. Select Mad Titan Sports, click Install when prompted, click OK. Wait for the Mad Titan Sports add-on installed message to appear. Return back to the home screen of Kodi and hover over Add-ons. Then choose Mad Titan Sports. Installation is now complete. The Mad Titan Sports Kodi add-on encompasses tons of streaming options in one location. Users can access hundreds of live streams throughout various sports categories. This includes options that are updated daily for baseball, basketball, football, MMA, soccer, wrestling, and more. There are also tons of live sports channels that play without buffering. One of the best features of Mad Titan is that most channels have numerous source links, so if you find one doesn't work, simply select another until you are provided with a working stream. Besides live sports are also hundreds of live TV channels sorted by country and more. It is important to note that to access many of these channels, you will be required to install the Jet Proxy add-on. If you encounter the following message below, simply click Yes and you can view these channels without delay. Those looking for sports replays will find numerous categories. Many of these play in high definition and are buffer-free. Mad Titan is compatible with Real-Debrid, which will provide the highest quality links, including options for replays, which are extremely prevalent in Mad Titan. If you wish to authorize Real-Debrid, from the home screen of Mad Titan, select Tools. Click Authorize Resolve URL. You are then given a Real-Debrid authorization code. Visit realdebrid.com/device and enter the code provided. You will then see the Real-Debrid authorization successful message. Enjoy! If you are a tracked user, you can also integrate this service, which will keep all your content in sync across various devices and platforms. Overall, Mad Titan Sports is a fabulous Kodi add-on that works fabulously for all of your streaming needs. Give it a try today. That's it, your installation is complete. Now sit back and enjoy. Make sure you're using a VPN when using any add-on. We want you to stay safe. Click on the Privado VPN link in the description. Also check Vseebox video review. Click on the link in the description. This TV box has it all: live TV, movies, and TV shows. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.